Hello to everyone who may be watching. My name is Kayla Powell, and I first want to start this presentation by saying that I speak on the behalf of the rest of my team that we are excited to partner with Jeni's to create a creative marketing strategy plan that will promote the brand and bring attention to those who are unaware of Jeni's Splendid Ice Cream, as well as highlight and make public all the good things Jeni stands for. All of which is to design a strategy that in the end will make the brand stronger. Now, the problem Jeni's currently faces right now are that consumer tastes favor cheap prices. Being that Jeni's is a premium brand known for quality ice cream with a bit more expensive price tag, some consumers view the brand as exclusive and pretentious, which is causing damage to the brand's image. Now, we believe that price is really not the issue here, but more on how people are viewing and misinterpreting the brand image. According to a survey, 75% of consumers say that they favor companies that offer rewards and incentives, but 56% of those consumers stay loyal to brands which get them. So, rewards and cheaper prices will initially develop a larger crowd, but what keeps the crowd is the company's overall brand image and core values. So, what we need to do is give consumers a reason to spend money on a higher price tag by highlighting and exposing why that price tag is higher. What does Jeni's as a brand believe in, and who are they supporting that produces that higher price tag? If consumers view a brand as inclusive and personable, they're going to prefer that brand over a brand that just offers them cheaper prices. So, what problem is the IMC initiative working to resolve? Well, we want to resolve and fix the image of Jeni's Splendid Ice Cream from being overly priced and pretentious to a brand image that is inclusive and welcoming. We want to take consumers' focus off the price tag and onto a brand that is known for its welcoming environment that consumers desire to be a part of because it's either a direct reflection of what the consumer believes in or how they strive to feel. This is where we want to be. If we reinvent Jeni's image to being more inclusive and down to earth, then more people will draw a connection to the brand and create an image that people feel connected to and want to be associated with. So, how might we do this? Well, we're going to address this in the upcoming slides, certain tactics and promotional goals that Jeni's, we think, should pursue.
When it comes to key consumer insights, we believe that our consumers choose Jeni's because they are craving a unique, delicious treat that feels rewarding to eat and also qualifies as a mood booster. They value high quality ingredients because they feel that they are worth it and value having the best quality. Our customers value the idea of a sophisticated ice cream shop and that is creating a new experience and a new way to enjoy ice cream. Jeni's proves room for growth and prides on sustainability. They support and invest in their local farmers, and they also represent community and quality. When it comes to Jeni's objective, we believe that it is to create a community that everyone is welcome, regardless of the stigma around the pricey ice cream. By building and reforming a new ice cream experience, Jeni's wants to allow all to feel comfortable, supported, and loved, regardless of your demographic or your geographical location.
So our big idea is that Jeni's Ice Cream needs to alter their brand image in order to be a more successful company. In order to do so, they need to create a more inclusive and community-based feeling for their customers. We feel like doing so will help attract new customers as well as keep customers returning to buy the product. These next three key marketing tactics in the following slides will allow them to achieve this goal.
So, for our first tactic, we advise that Jeni's puts promotional efforts toward building brand awareness on TikTok. This platform will encourage socialization and help reach potential consumers that otherwise may not have had awareness of the brand. With TikTok's exploded popularity, large audience, and platform that is free to use to create branded content, Jeni's can create content that can display the community driven attitude of Jeni's. When one thinks of TikTok, one might think young generation, and it's true. TikTok's demographic is mostly young adults and teens that make up over 60% of the platform's consumer base. But Jenny's can use this to the brand's advantage. Influencers are starting younger and younger these days, and if Jenny's builds a good rapport with the younger crowd, then this younger crowd can influence other generations or other people of all ages to try out the brand. For those who are unaware of Jenny's, TikTok is a great platform for people to get to know the nature and personality of their brand. TikTok videos are meant to be lighthearted and attention grabbing. Jenny's could create videos with diversified content, some more silly, quirky videos to signify the brand's fun and artsy side, and some with a more subtle marketing message that includes Jenny's products but focuses heavily on the educational content. These videos will enable viewers to learn more about the industry, and they can include industry tips and tricks or just messages from the producers and farmers themselves that are part of creating ingredients for Jenny's ice cream. With these type of videos, Jenny's will establish that community-driven aspect of the brand, as well as create a warm and welcoming image. Last thing to note about the upside of using TikTok, Jenny's can utilize many of the tools to leverage their brand. Using the discovery page, Jenny's can find out what the latest trends are and find out what people are invested in. Using the hashtag challenge, Jenny's can establish a connection between the brand and customers. And lastly, the creator marketplace will give Jenny's the opportunity to find and connect with the relevant influencers who can promote the brand, hopefully, in the future.
The second marketing tactic that we like to implement is our pop-up positivity event. Jenny's employees will go around town with scoop shops and pass out free samples of ice cream to random participants. They'll then engage in friendly conversation and ask the participants to share a positive sentiment or something that makes them happy. The purpose of this is to create a dialogue within the community and get a sense for what the people truly value. The event will require a videographer to capture participants' feedback and reactions to the ice cream. This footage can later be used for future promotional material. This tactic should only require 0.4% of our budget, so it's a very low-risk option and gives the brand an opportunity to interact within the community. We feel that free samples will help pique interest in the brand and further reinforce the positivity that Jenny's is trying to spread, and it also shows Jenny's desire to be a part of the community. Our third and largest marketing tactic that we like to implement is a 60-second TV commercial featuring the content filmed at the pop-up positivity event. The commercial will be aired on NBC since they have 6 of the top 10 most watched programs. We feel that this is an appropriate route to take because the demographic of those who enjoy ice cream is so expansive. The ad will reach a very large audience, and the positive nature of the ad would be appealing to virtually any viewer. We feel that it's necessary to set aside at least 23% of our budget for this tactic. Once we're able to build a bigger following for the brand, we'd love to run commercials with Jennifer Lopez as a spokesperson, with a twist on her famous song, Jenny from the Block.
In conclusion, we believe that our 3 marketing tactics of promoting Jenny's ice cream via TikTok, pop-up positivity events around local communities, and a 60-second TV commercial should help Jenny's meet our objective. Our objective is to be seen as a more inclusive and welcoming brand, and should help solve the problem as being seen as a pretentious or an exclusive brand. We believe this will help bring in new customers as well as promote customer loyalty among our brand.